Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why I just spent over $5,000 on ARKF. Now, for those of you that don't know what ARK is an investment firm that really has a variety of ETFs from internet giants, Fintech like this one. They have a space travel ETF that really focuses on companies that are heavily invested in space travel. So they have a variety of ETFs and they've been known to beat the market by tenfold. So the past year they had an annual return of around 120% compared to the S&P 500, which was right around 33% or so. So over the past, couple of years, a lot of investors have been really drawn to ARK and the portfolio manager, Cathie Wood. She is known to be the next Warren Buffett. So breaking down this main question, why did I buy ARKF? Now, this one here, this is what you call a Fintech ETF. So for those of you that don't know what Fintech is, it's pretty much financial technology. So me personally, I really believe that we have a lot of long-term potential in Fintech. I think that the financial sector is really going to start focusing on online banks. They're going to be focusing on pretty much technologies and getting into cryptocurrencies. So really, that's what ARKF, ARKF focuses on. Their top holdings in here are Square, Chase Bank, and a variety of others, PayPal, all those that are heavily focused on fintech, financial technologies. And all of those companies, well, most of them did invest quite a bit of money into Bitcoin. So now when you invest into this, you pretty much have holdings that, have Bitcoin. So it's pretty much like investing in both. Not to mention their largest holding is Square. Now Square has what you call the Cash App, and they make a lot of money from Bitcoin transactions and they loan money to others. So it's very similar to how a bank works, but there's no physical location. So the beauty of Fintech is there's no physical or brick and mortar store. So what happens is they have very, very low expenses and extremely high margins. So Square's margin rate is around 35%, which is extremely high. So for every $100 Square brings in, they profit $35, which is phenomenal. But looking at this chart here, you guys can see that this had a beautiful upward trend. Lows here at 21, highs here at 64. And then the reason why I'm buying more is because over the past couple of weeks, we've had some steady sell-off here. And we've always been told to never invest at all-time highs. You always want to invest when things sell off. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So we've had some sell-off down to 53. I'm going to hop in with $5,000 and just hold it for 3 to 5 years. Now, what a lot of people will do is probably set their stops on this investment at probably right around 48. Or what I'm going to do is if it falls back down to 48, I'm going to double what I normally would put in. So I'll put 5 here and then 5 down here, get an average price at 51. Once this recovers back to 64, I'm going to be making so much more money. This is what you call a support line right in here. So every time that this stock or ETF has hit this, we've had extreme buying pressure. So you guys can see it hit it, buying pressure, hit it, buying pressure. So now we're moving our way back up, but we still have a downward trend. So I think that we could get a breakout of 56, or we could get more sell-off back down to about 48. And whatever happens, I'm completely fine with because I'm just going to dollar cost average this so I get a good average price if it falls. So that's kind of my strategy for this one and pretty much why I am invested in ARK. Now the expense ratio for this ETF is around 0.75, which is pretty high, but you're pretty much paying for the performance because this has outperformed all the indexes, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. So that's pretty much why I am buying ARKF. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall, I hope you guys got something of value. I'm really excited to see where this one goes in the next couple of years. We'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.